Today's high temperature of 74.
There it is. Oh, hey, this went off this time.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch, effective until midnight Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Pickaway, and Union. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now looking Seneca County in northwestern Ohio.
Yep, this is the confirmed one.
County in northwestern Ohio, northwestern Crawford County, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Van Loo, or 9 miles east of Lee, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: law enforcement confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near New Regal around 7:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Louisville around 7:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Sulphur Springs, Benton, Cary, Attica, and Republic. This is no weather. Weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mont County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Ashland County, southern Lorain County, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Polk, or 12 miles
We should get a tornado warning here. No, we shouldn't. Never mind.
60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible.
Although storms are heading our way.
And power lines. Locations impacted include Modena, Brunswick, Wadsworth, Wellington, Lodi, Chippewa Lake, Polk, Sullivan, Seville, Penfield, Westfield Center, Spencer, Gloria Cliff Park, Burbank, Rochester, Chippewa on the Lake, Nova, Valley City, and Briarwood Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time for north central Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Lorain, and Modena. Stay tuned to know where some commercially storms have
I just got the IAM bot.
To the middle of that, public village, and protect your head. Do whatever you got to do to protect your head. Because the number one way to get hurt is to
for northern Richland County, southern Hewlett County, southeastern Salmon County, and northwestern Ohio, northern Crawford County, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Bloomville, or 11 miles southeast of Tiffin, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near New Washington around 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Willard and Plymouth around 7:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Shenandoah, North Fairfield, Attica, Tyro, Olafsburg, and Greenwich.
Tornado warning! What the? Where did this come from? Where is this?
Tornado warning for northwestern Marion County.
Okay, let's see.
Southeastern Hancock County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Arlington, or 10 miles south of Findlay, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size.
Oh, it's probably the same thing. Oh crap, I'm low on battery on here. I'm gonna have to shut it off.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged.
No GOR.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Just
Damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Papa Sandusky around 8:10 p.m. Sycamore around 8:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Wharton.
okay. This is picking up very quickly. Holy crap!
Houston, and Nevada. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are
Here's our radar right
in a
now.
mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Another tornado warning. What is it this time? Fayette and Marion. Oh, that's Illinois.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Central Logan County, northwestern Union County, Ohio,
Okay.
until 8:30 p.m.
So,
At 7:50 p.m., a large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Russell's Point.
oh my
moving at
God.
40 miles an hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now.
Oh my God, that's terrifying.
Damaging tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter.
Dude.
Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Bell Fountain, Russell's Point, Lakeview, Bell Center, West Mansfield, Chippewa Park, Northwood, Rush, Sylvania, Huntsville, Ridgeway, Valley High, Zanes Field, Raymond, New Jerusalem, Byhalia, Broadway, Middleburg, McMorran, Somersville, and Big Springs. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Oh my God. That is the most terrifying warning I've heard
Here
live.
is a hazardous weather outlook.
Where's this for? Why did my audio feed there have to cut out right now?
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Logan County, northwestern Delaware County,
Yep, there's Delaware.
Union County, Ohio, until 9 p.m. At 8:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near West Mansfield, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Delaware, Marysville, Richwood, West Mansfield, Radnor, Ostrander, Ridgeway, Magnetic Springs, Zanes Field, Raymond, New Jerusalem, Byhalia, Bell Point, Broadway, Warrensburg, Ferrisburg, Somersville, Big Springs, Essex, and State Route 257 at US Route 36. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Of course I didn't get my high quality recording that time because my cord got yanked out. Shut up, there we go. Sorry, one of my weather radars didn't show up. I was not talking to you guys.
At 8:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Centerburg, or 12 miles southwest of Mount Vernon, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Gambier, Utica, Centerburg, Martinsburg, and Bladensburg.
I'll try to watch. Yeah.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch, effective until
Shut
1
up.
p.m. Friday.
Whatever it's called.
This watch
Warning
includes
signal.
the following counties in Ohio: Muskingum and Perry.
Switch back to Dean Barry now. Oh my God! Oh my God! Holy shit!
For the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging
Oh my god.
winds close to the watch area.
Oh my
While
god.
severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Oh, doubleheader. Sorry, what'd you say?
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for.
Oh, Pittsburgh is issuing warnings now. Sorry, I still didn't quite hear what you said.
Until 9:30 p.m. At 8:50 p.m., a cluster
That was-
of severe thunderstorms was
that was
located
Ostrander.
along a line extending from near Martin to near Harbor Hills to near Baltimore, Ohio, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour.
What do you mean to near Baltimore, Ohio?
$1 hail.
In $half size hit. Okay, I might be in danger now.
Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Zanesville, Coshocton, North Zanesville,
Including
Frederick,
tornado warning for Troy, Pequot,
Warsaw,
and Covington.
Pleasant Grove, Conesville, Gratiot,
I'm-
Otsego, Drake.
I'm gonna
Petersburg,
circle the
Mount
general
Hopping,
area
Wayne,
I'm in.
Blissfield, Cooperdale, and
This
Dillon
general
State
area
Park.
right here.
This
and
includes Interstate 70
that
in Ohio between
storm
mile markers 143 and
is
159.
going to be right here. Triple header! Tornado warning! Holy shit. Where's this for? Oh, Delaware County. Okay. Delaware County's under tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Delaware County until 9:45 p.m. At 8:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado
Tisba still has not gone indoors.
moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Delaware, Sunbury, Radnor, Galena, Ostrander, Allen Creek State Park, Olive Green, Stratford, Bell Point, Warrensburg, Center Village, Leonardsburg, Kilbourne, and Lewis Center. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 124 and 138. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter
Oh my
and
God.
protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe
This
weather,
is-
go to our website at weather.
Hopefully not. Oh god, what the hell? I just got like a billion pings. Day 1 slight? What do you mean? We just had the day 1 slight. I've had enough severe weather for now. No, weather radio is off air and my power's flickering. Yeah, oh. Holy shit, what the fuck is happening? Oh, they're on backup power. Okay, the transmitter's on backup power.
The weather patterns affecting the southern
Power went out.
A tornado warning remains. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Shelby County.
I apologize in advance if you can hear my weather radios.
Northeastern Miami County until 10 p.m. At 9:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Piqua, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Piqua, Urbana, St. Paris, West Liberty, Fletcher, Lockington, Thackeray, Rosewood, Westville, Carysville, Lippincott, Ballou, Plattsville, Spring Hills, Millerstown, Kaiser Lake State Park, Farrington, Terry Hut, and Powhatan. This includes I-75 and Ohio between mile markers 78 and 88.
Okay.
A tornado warning remains.
Tornado warning for Licking County. That's near me. So, I'm in this area. The tornado warning's here now.
Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Licking County until 10:15 p.m. At 9:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Sunbury, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and $50.
Yeah, I just say me.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact,
But that confuses with
flying
anomalous,
debris will be
Bob.
dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
Not right now.
Locations impacted include Newark,
No, we're not doing it. We're not doing a twisted game tonight when there's actual real storms going on.
Greenville South, Martin, Alexandria, Hartford, St. Louisville, Fredonia.
Yes, we're playing Twisted in real life.
Fallsburg. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
No, Tisba should be fine now.
The severe thunderstorm.
Where's the score? Tell me right now. Also, what the hell happened to my text there? Nothing. You can't see it.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Champaign County, northeastern Miami County, until 10 p.m.
I'm getting more and more worried about these being from my county, and this is not this time.
Capable of producing a tornado was located near St. Paris, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
I think so. Oh, my dad's calling.
Damaged or destroyed.
Hello?
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Yes, you are.
Tree
I would say so.
damage is likely. Locations impacted
All right, love you.
include Urbana,
Bye.
St. Paris, Fletcher, Thackeray, Millerstown, Kaiser Lake State Park, Westville.
Oh, Urbana just got another tornado warning? What do you mean?
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media.
This is in Ohio.
Do so safely. Now here is
Tornado warning for Champaign County. So this one's strengthening again. Or something. Actually, it might not be strengthening. It might have been a reissue. Oh, what? That's a PDS now.
issued a tornado warning for southeastern Champaign County until 10:15 p.m. At 9:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Urbana, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Kentucky should be fine for now, TM.
Destroyed.
But eventually...
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Urbana, Mechanicsburg, Woodstock, Mutual, Cable, Catawba Station, Ken Ard, and Powhatan. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.
So I have a TVS here. Let's take a look here.
ILS.
Yeah, that's
Submit your report
looking
via
pretty
social
sus.
media
That probably
when you
could
can
be
do
on the
so
ground.
safely.
So, what's the one?
Now here is the official
Is it
National
Ezekiel?
Weather Service.
It's just a severe thunderstorm warning this time. It's fine.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Preble County, southeastern Darke County, western Clark County, northwestern Greene County, northern Montgomery County, southern Miami County until 10:30 p.m.
Yes, it was a severe thunderstorm warning, but I have a TVS now, and I'm by nowhere near an expert, but it kind of maybe looks like there was debris on the radar, so... But probably not. I'm probably completely wrong about that.
Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible.
Yes, it can.
Damage to trees and power lines.
I don't know how
include
to identify debris, so...
Springfield, Hubert Heights, Fairborn, Troy, Trotwood, Vandalia, Englewood, Tip City, New Carlisle, West Milton,
What?
Yellow Springs, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Northridge, Enoch,
Tisma, what are you seeing right now?
Lewisburg, Brown, Riverside.
Oh my god! I heard
This
that!
includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 9 and 55. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 57 and 73. A tornado warning. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Claremont County, northwestern Brown County, south central Fayette County, Ohio, southern Clinton County, central Highland County, and south central Ohio until 10:30 p.m. At 9:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Blanchester, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail.
Yeah?
Source, radar indicated.
Oh, we just got another one. This one is going to be a double header.
Locations impacted include Hillsborough, Lynchburg, Leesburg, New Vienna, Rocky Ford Point, Highland Holiday, Russell, Newtonsville, Fayetteville, Highland, St. Martin, Rocky Fork Lake, Chasetown, East Monroe,
How goes the war?
Rainsboro, New
How goes the war?
Martinsburg, Eatonton, Highland
Not
County
good.
Airport,
Yeah, really?
and Lake Lorelei.
Wow. There's a lot of shit coming our way. Man. Yikes.
The National
Severe thunderstorm warning. Oh, Franklin County is under, Columbus is officially under a severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Champaign County, northwestern Franklin County, Ohio, southern Delaware County, northeastern Clark County, southern Union County, Ohio, northeastern Madison County until 10:45 p.m. At 9:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mechanicsburg, moving east at 35 miles an hour.
Bro, I'm gonna be up so late
60
tonight.
miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor
Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, look through the window.
is possible. Expect wind damage to trees.
Yeah, go inside! Tisba!
Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Hilliard, Jefferson, Plain City, West Jefferson, Mechanicsburg, Choctaw Lake, Lake Darby, New California,
Oh my God.
Hills, Catawba, Unionville Center, Interstate 70 at US Route
Tisba.
42, Amity,
Tisba, go inside.
State Route 29 at State Route 38, State Route 4 at State Route 161, Brizaka, and US Route 33 at US Route 42. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 78 and 91.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County, Ohio, northeastern Madison County, until 11 p.m. At 10:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Darby, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Hilliard, Worthington, Bexley, Jefferson, Canal Winchester, Grove, Plain City, West Jefferson, Minerva.
My location was just listed in the severe thunderstorm warning.
Easton, and Whitehall. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 81 and 111.
I said my location was just listed in the severe thunderstorm warning.
I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 94 and 118. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast. Southeastern Franklin County, Ohio, Fairfield County,
that's for me.
Central Pickaway County, Southern Licking County, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:40 p.m.,
yes, it is for me.
thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Gahanna to near Groveport to Grove City, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Lancaster, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Gahanna, Pickerington, Bexley, Keith, Granville, Pawhuska, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Baltimore, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Freeman, Millersport, Pleasantville, and Fairfield Beach.
Dude, I lost the gay penny.
Includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 103 and 142, and near mile marker 144. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 93 and 101.
To my knowledge, it's actually a rare penny though, so...
Now here is the official... County until 11:45 p.m. At 10:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hocking Hills State Park, moving east at 70 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Thank you so much for that.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Logan, Nelsonville, Hocking Hills State Park, Star, Murray City, Islesboro, Gibbstonville, Lake Logan State Park, Haydenville, South Bloomingville, Union Furnace, Oroville, and Carbon Hill.
Here's a pretty ominous photo of one of the tornadoes that happened in Ohio tonight.
Until 11:45 p.m. At 11:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles east of Thornport to Somerset to 8 miles southwest of Lancaster, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Lexington, McConnellsville, Somerset, Shawnee, Perry State Forest, Crooksville, Junction City, New Strayetsville, Malta, Corning, Bristol, Glenford, Hemlock, Renville, and Eagleport.